Have you faced a problem where your App Store isn't showing your account and has been disabled after the iOS 17 update and you can't download any apps? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you how you can fix this problem or how to remove this annoying error on your iPhone. So, let's get started. Solution 1. Check your billing address. Open Settings, tap on Apple. After that, tap on Media and Purchases. And if you need to enter your Apple ID password, then enter it. After that, tap on the Manage Payment option. Here, you can see your payment information. Check it properly. And if you find anything wrong, then update it. And check whether your problem is fixed or not. Otherwise, follow the next solution. Solution 2. Check your Apple ID password. Open Settings, tap on Apple ID. After that, tap on Sign and Security. Here you can see the Change Password option. Tap on it and unlock your screen lock. After that, you will get the Enter New Password interface. And then enter a new password. Retype again and tap on Change, and your password will be changed. After that, hopefully, your problem will be solved. If you still have anything to ask, then please ask me in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.